Hello, my dear friends. So I'm coming here today. After a few days, you see on my computer screen is very nice and very colorful and modern logo design. So if you wanted to promote your company or your business, just you follow me and you stay with me. You can learn something from this logo design. So the guys stay with me and watch my video. You can uh, exactly you can do six kinds of logo design. So from start, what should I do? I need to first to select all the things and little bit smaller of the things. Yes, I needed to put here in the corner side. You see? Yes, it's exactly. So what should I do? I need to just the section. I need to section and go to the ellipse tool. You see? This is called ellipse tool. Or you can shortcut the L. Press L, then you can directly select all the things. So select ellipse tools and here what should I do? I need to just center, put it center. You can see like that whenever you are hovering this one, then is indicating where your situation or location. So what should I do? I need to center. What is center? You see what is called center? This one, that one. Yes, this one is a center. So this is the center. The sign over here. You see? Yes. Oh, now sit. It is happening like that. So I needed to center. I needed to center. I'm looking for a center. You see? There's a sign. So okay. Keep here. Yes. What should I? How this come? So I need to here. Just what should I do? I need to just here. Yes. You see? Very nice. Very nice. So what should I do? I need to just bigger, just like that. As you can see here, this much. Yes, this one is small. So what should I do? I need to just keep here. I needed to select this one and go to the object and expand it. Yes, you see how it's doing. So what should I do? I need to back here for rectangle tool. What should I do? I need to see here. I start here with that. Is like that. Yes. What should I do? Like that. You see? Yes. What should I do? I needed to copy this one. I need to copy. Copy here. Yes. Copy. So I should like that a label. You see? This logo exactly. I should do it. So what should I do? I need to do a little bit here. Yes. Again from side. I'm not friends. I'm not a scaling. But if you go to the optional, so you need to scale exactly. So what should I do? I need a back here for the company here. It's acrylic here and a little bit make smaller. Here also this color. That yes. What should I do? I didn't select this one and put it here for the center. Yes, exactly center. And get to it like that. Yes. What should I do? I need to just direct select this one by pressing Shift key and here and this one. and the third one, and the last one. See, the last one. I'm doing it very fast, so Brandon, you can take time. The more it take time, the more it would be exactly. So what should I do? I just keep here. Yes, it's around with this one. See how it's happening. So what should I do? I needed to want to select all and go to the straight bullet tool because I need to count all the things. Oh my god, buddy. Ouch. It's doing. It's don't worry. It will be solved. The problem. Just press Alt and click here. Mouse. Okay. So it is done. It's almost done. So what should I do? I need it back. Where I should it. That's a save like that. What should I do? I needed to direct selection, the selection, and here, and let's again here, display. Yes, right here, very fantastic. So what should I do? I need to select this one, and by pressing Shift key, and go to the object back, and I needed to path, and go to the palette, to the 10 pixel, and preview. You need confirm it is left preview, otherwise it will not be like that. So what should I need to do? This one, and I needed to select all the things and go to the shape builder tool and cut this one right here. And let it select. So press over and cut. Again here also same procedure. Just go to the, oh my god, now it's just smaller, so 5 minutes. Yes, you see, if you bigger, if you create it bigger or show bigger, it will be easy for you, but I'm not doing like that. I'm just doing very fast, so that's why it's not making bigger. So what should I do? I need it here, and I need to select this one and delete. Use this plus this key, and with this one also, you see how it's doing. Very good, very fantastic. So I needed to select all the things, and I needed to label. So what you do is select the builder tool, and then make there, and make there. You see, it's also there. So it is very nice. Now this level is okay, almost done. Now the third for this third key. So what should I do? I need it back here, and you see here, and I it may it default 15, 14, 10. It doesn't matter, but you needed to keep here for numbers. So otherwise it cannot be. Okay, you see? Yes, this almost done. So first of all, I needed to here a little bit smaller. So what should I do? And like that. I need to put here in the center. Then I needed to copy and paste. Control C and F. So for suit, and it just I needed to click that angle. That yes, not just little bit smaller, little bit. Yes. What remaining now? Remaining the color. So what should I do? I needed to color. So how to select the color? This one. I need to like that and go to the color picker This one, yes, that's fine. Fantastic. You see, doing very good. So what should I do? I needed to select this one and go to the draw. I drop a tool. Yeah, select this one. This one. Oh, nice. Very nice. Always easy. Just do it. And I drop it again. And this one. And select this one. And go to eyedropper. Yes. Oh, it's nice. You see, exactly, no difference. Exactly, very modernized and a fantastic logo design. So friends, a nice logo design. Stay with me, follow the video fully, and support me. Thanks for watching.